Hello, my name is Regenia Rawlinson. Today I will read from my book, Mindful Moments, A Journey Within. If you would like a copy of your own, you can find it on Amazon or Ingram Spark. I invite you to visit my website at www.villagec.com and my Facebook authors page for more information about me, my books, and services offered by my company, Village Concepts Consultants. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. Mindful Moments, A Journey Within, Introduction. Welcome to your self-reflective journal, a place where you can think deeply about yourself and grow. Here, you'll explore your emotions and discover ways to make positive changes in your life. Emotions are a big part of being human. They tell us how we react to the world around us, but sometimes they can be tricky to understand. That's why it's important to take a moment to figure out why you're feeling a certain way. In this journal, you're encouraged to be honest about your feelings. Whether you're feeling happy, sad, angry, scared, or anything else, it's okay to talk about it. Take the time to understand why you're feeling that way and don't judge yourself for it. Write as much or as little as you like. Remember, this is your own special record. Don't stress about spelling, punctuation, or grammar. Just concentrate on your thoughts and feelings and write them down. Understanding our emotions helps us grow as individuals. By digging deeper into why we feel certain things, we can learn more about ourselves and the reasons behind our actions. This knowledge can help us make better choices and improve our overall well-being. But reflection isn't just about thinking. It's also about acting. Once we understand our emotions, we can take steps to manage them better. This might involve practicing mindfulness, changing our perspective, talking to someone we trust, or making changes in our environment. As you begin this journey of self-discovery, remember to be kind to yourself. Thank you for listening. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you the next time.